Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Ucine on your smart TV so you can access thousands of movies and TV shows for your free on the big screen. Since Ucine is a third-party app, it is not available on the official store like Google Play Store or Samsung Hub, so we will need to use a simple side-loading method to get it running. To begin, you should turn on your smart TV and navigate to the settings menu to enable installation from unknown sources. If you are using an Android TV or a Firestick, you can find this under the Security or Developer Options menu, which allows you to install apps that are not from the official store. Once those permissions are set, you should go to your TV's App Store and search for an application called Downloader. After you install and open the Downloader app, you will see a URL bar where you need to type in the official download link for the Ucine APK file. You can find the latest working link on the Ucine website, which you can visit using the browser inside the downloader itself. After the file finishes downloading, the app will ask if you want to install it, and you should click the install button to proceed. Once the installation is complete, I highly recommend clicking the delete button in the downloader app to remove the setup file and save space on your TV. You can now find YouCine in your list of apps that I suggest moving it to your home screen for easy access. If you are using a Samsung or LG TV that does not support Android APK files, you can still watch YouCine by using streaming device like Firestick or by casting the app from your phone to your TV. Before you start watching your favorite content, always remember to turn on your VPN to keep your streaming activity private and secure.